Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm Punky and welcome to Punky's World. I have this Pioneer tape deck, but I bought some random universal parts. Let's see if we can't bust into this thing and figure out what's going on. This unit is a Pioneer CT-W403R. And what's happening is, I turn on the unit. Right now we have, oh, the Phantom of the Opera. Wow. We're gonna pop it in there, we're gonna hit play. And it is playing. As you can see from the gears, or from the wheels, they're moving. When I stop it, and now I want to reverse, it reverses. If I hit the forward button, it's not doing much. It has issues. Now we go over to the tape deck 2, kind of the same issue. It's playing. We're gonna stop it, we're gonna forward. That doesn't want to forward. We're going to rewind it, and it rewinds, but it's just not forwarding. So let's unplug this unit, let's open up the back of this thing, and let's see what we can find. I have a suspicion that it's going to need some belts. So I got a universal pack on Amazon of the universal different size belts. I'm sure any of these are going to be better than what's currently on it. This thing is from the early 90s, I'm guessing, is when this was made. Anything I do to it is going to be an improvement. They did sell exact belts for this unit, but for 2 goddamn belts, and I'm going to need 4 of them, they want 40 bucks for 2 belts.
It's been about 6 months, and ironically the belt costs have come down dramatically since doing this video.
I'm going to see if I can't use this pack that cost me about 5 bucks for a bunch of random sizes and see if we can't utilize that situation. Or maybe there's something even deeper going on here. We won't know until we get inside of it, so let's get started. Looks like it's just gonna slide off just like that. And these belts feel a little loose on that one. Yeah, these are kind of loose. And I do notice that this is a thicker belt right here compared to what I got. This one right here will probably work with the pack that I have. Definitely not the same size. Let's see what we can do. I have it plugged in again. I'm gonna try some different modes. I'm gonna go forward and backwards and see what happens. Let's hit play. Alright, let's try this first. I'm gonna take this off like that.
I'm currently pulling the main drive belt off of the pulley.
At least, because I think I can replace at least one of them. So we'll start with this guy, and we'll see what happens. I don't know what I'm doing, but, you know, fucked up bigger things before in the past. So I got a hook. I got this. Let's see if we can't take this one off real quick. We can get it off of there. And we'll see if we can't find a belt that's similar to that. There's a lot of belt, like this is just a thick belt, and these are all much skinnier, so that is a freaking bummer, dude. Well, these will work. Okay, it's probably similar to it. Let's see what happens if I try to slip it on.
The trick is first sliding it over the big drive pulley to get it in place.
Let's see if there's any difference at all with that. It'd be nice if it's just that small belt. I don't get that lucky though. Let's see, power is on.
Although you won't be able to see it in the video, the display is actually working, but it's extremely dim even when you look at the unit itself.
Oh, sweet. Ha! Okay. Let's rewind. This is great. This might be a super quick video after all. Okay, all I did was right here. This is the main belt right here. There wasn't like, and I put like a belt that's similar in size. It has a little more tension to it. If you look at this one right here, on the other side, you can see that the tension's kind of, it's stretched out no matter what. This one still feels okay, but that's definitely stretched out. And I'm just barely touching it. See, like, I'm barely touching it with this one, and see how that flex? Not much flex. This one, barely touching it. That has a lot of flex to it. Yeah. Let's see if this one is as easy to change as the other one. We're gonna next do this guy right here, which hopefully this will slide off easy as well. Okay, that one is off. Oh yeah, oh my gosh, that's so loose. Oh dude, I'm so happy that I don't have to go and buy a freaking $40 belt. Oh yeah, it's not dry rotted, but it's beat. It is definitely beat. All right, let's see if we can find one similar to that in this pack of belts, and I've mixed the whole damn thing up. I'm not very good at organization, obviously. I'm gonna put this guy on right here. If it is too loose, we can go with this other one that's a little bit tighter. These are not the exact belts for it. It's a universal pack. This is Punky's World, just trying to be extra cheap here, because why not? I honestly, I don't listen to cassette tapes a lot. I have a few cassette tapes. We might have to go a little tighter. I don't know about that one. Let's do a test here, see if it's any better. No. Okay, we need a tighter belt. Let's get this belt off again. Yeah, this is way too loose. This is almost as loose as the other one. I thought maybe I could get away with it, but nope, we need a little tighter belt. Okay, yeah, this one feels a little tighter. I do this so y'all can see as well. I'm pretty good at blocking the camera view. That's for damn sure. It's not rocket appliances, as Ricky from Trailer Park Boy says. But, you know, it's just a matter of getting it on there.
I'm once again putting the belt around the drive gear because it has its own pulley attached to it, and then I have to wrap the other part of the belt around the white pulley.
I don't want to fuck any mechanisms up. Okay. I see you. I see you. You might not be able to see that, but I'm getting it around the gear, around the pulley, and I think I did it. Okay, let's put this one on. See if we can get away with not spending $40 on one set of belts. It's ridiculous. Okay, let's plug it in. Let's see what happens. First things first, does it play? Does play. Does it forward? Yeah! Look at that! Ah! Oh, this is awesome. Stop. Does it rewind? Hell yeah, it rewinds. Oh man. Automatic stop. Perfect. Let's forward ahead. Stop. Rewind. Let's play with this side. Oh, that's play. We're gonna forward a little bit. Great. We're gonna stop. We're gonna play. We're gonna stop. We're gonna rewind. We're gonna rewind it. Perfect. We fixed it. Ah! Hell yeah. $5 pack of belts on this muff. Yes. Oh man. Oh. You know, I'm glad that worked out. I really did, because I gotta be honest, I didn't want to put too much money in this thing. I don't have a lot of cassette tapes. It is part of my hi-fi stereo system, and it's just nice to have, so I have it complete. I got a tape deck. I got a 6-disc CD changer that's made by NAD. Actually, I just picked one of those up. I fixed that. But of course, the video footage was corrupt because of my old cameras. Now I've upgraded to the GoPro 12, so it seems to work better now. But I lost all that footage because it didn't record properly. Anyways, I had a bunch of issues. I fixed the NAD CD changer, and now I was like, okay, well, I need to do a video on making this work with my system because it never rewound correctly. If you wanted to rewind something, you'd have to flip the tape over and forward it so that way it rewinds the other side. So, you know, a little stupid crap like that. But I think we fixed it, and this was a really easy repair. Well, thank you so much for watching this episode of Punky's World. I'm going to put the lid on this thing. We'll see you in the next episode. Cheers! All right, let's go listen to cassettes. Yeah, all right.